We regard ourselves as being a guide into this new world. We regard ourselves into being able to discern what will scale, not just today, but for the entire life of a program. That could be 10, 20 years, 30 years. In some cases, we've been running product here for almost half a century. We understand the realities around serving the most demanding supply chains in the world. We understand what just-in-time means. We understand what long-term agreements mean and the commitments that go with them. We understand what the quality requirements mean and the consequences for falling short. So innovation is great. We love it. It defines who we are. But making sure that innovation is delivered is just as important. We invite you to speak not only to us, but to our long-standing clients who rely on us. For a small company, Micro has big responsibilities, and we treat it as such. And rest assured that we're just getting started at 60-plus years of doing this, and we think the next 60 are going to create a track record of performance that will both honor the past but improve upon it.